Hello learners, today we're going to be talking about dividing unit fractions by whole numbers using the number line model. So here's our equation. 1/4 divided by 3. In this equation, the dividend is the unit fraction. Remember, a unit fraction is a fraction that has 1 in the numerator. Our divisor is our whole number, and our answer is the quotient. The quotient is always the answer when we're working with division. So when a unit fraction is divided by a whole number, the quotient is a unit fraction that is less than the dividend. So we are looking for this number here when we solve this to be less than 1/4. So this is how we do this using a number line. So let's start with the whole. Here is our equation, and here is a number line. It's a blank number line that we are going to work with. It's our whole. 0 to 1 represents a whole. Next, we are going to look at the dividend's denominator to determine the amount of equal parts of the whole. Our denominator in this case is 4, so we know that this whole has to be divided into 4 equal sections, which it is. Next, we are going to look at the divisor, the 3, to determine the number of equal parts in one section. So again, here is our number line divided into 4 equal parts. And I know that I had to divide one of those equal parts into 3 sections based on the divisor. The next step is we are going to divide the rest of the whole into the same equal parts. So that is what I did here. And as you can see, I ended up with 12 equal parts. The quotient is 1 part of the total equal parts of the whole. So it's one of these. And what is my total? I have 12 total equal parts. So the answer to this equation is 1/12. Is 1/12 indeed smaller than 1/4? Yes, it certainly is. So let's do one of these together. We start with our number line, our whole, and we read the equation. An ice cream shop uses 1/3 of a gallon of ice cream to make a milkshake. If the milkshake is poured equally into 4 smaller glasses, how much of the gallon of ice cream will be in each glass? I look at the dividend's denominator to determine how many sections I need to split this whole into, and it's a total of 3 equal sections. So I'm going to do that right now. And now I have 3 equal sections. 1, 2, 3. The divisor tells me I have to divide one of those equal sections into 4 smaller sections. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to end up with 4 smaller equal sections. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I know that I have to divide the rest of the whole into the same equal parts. So I'm going to do that right here. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 more. One, 2, 3, 4 in one section, 4 more in this section. And I have a total of 12 equal parts. And so I know that the quotient is 1 part of the total equal parts of the whole. So my answer to this would be 1/12. Now you are going to try this on your own using a separate sheet of paper. Go back to the learning plan and click on the worksheet. Good luck.